Hey, how's it going today, guys? This is Eric again. I'm back. I know it's been a while since I've done any videos. I just wanted to kind of do a quick video on the Mobile Solutions Smart Spreaders, the stainless steel version, and how to use them properly uh, doing, body work on your, car, or doing, panels, any type of inserts using them. So traditionally, you use things like your regular spreaders here, and then spread them on, and try to get an angle, and then have to use a grinder or a sander, and to get your different, your shapes. Whether you want, like a 90, or you want to kind of smooth it out, and it's not consistent. So you might have a 90-degree part here, and then it kind of turns into a 70, and then a 60 here, and then when you get ready to wrap it, carpet might not show it that bad, but vinyl, you're definitely going to see the inconsistencies throughout. So I have some body filler to my left that I custom mixed. I'm not going to get into that because it's not a store-bought filler. It's a mixture that I made myself specifically for this video, so that when I use the smart spreaders, the body filler doesn't run, and you get actually a better representation of the smart spreaders themselves and how they work. So I'm going to put my camera down and start to kind of lay down some filler and kind of show you guys how you lay the filler down and the benefits of the smart spreaders over just using this and trying to get an angle and hoping that it works. So here we go. All right. One of the cool benefits of the smart spreaders is that there's dual purpose. So if you have a piece of 1/2 inch wood, it lays nice and flat. But then also, let's say you had a 1/4, you can flip it the opposite direction and it'll nest perfectly for a piece of 1/4 inch wood. So you can do 1/4 inch if you're doing body work here, and then you can also flip it around, and on a piece of 1/2 inch, it's gonna nest perfectly flat. So you have a perfectly flat piece right here that you can actually get your body filler on, and then get that perfect radius. And flip it here. I'm sorry, flip it the other way. And then boom, you have the same angle just for a piece of 1/4. So it's pretty cool. So using this, if I was to get a piece of body filler, you get your body filler here, and then you would lay it on, right? Using a regular spreader just to apply it, So you get your regular body filler spreader, and you lay it on nice and thick, right? Then instead of me trying to use this, because these have a tendency to bend, and then it's never perfect, right? So look at that. Now I have to come back with a second application and fill the bottom part here. It's just a mess to work with, and it's more material you have to end up using. So with the smart spreaders, you just come pretty much one time. You apply it. Well, I'll start from here. And you just pretty much take it, and you're going to drag it all the way through. All right. The excess, you can put it back. Come here. Boom. Done. If you want to come back here, let's try to. And I mean, that's super consistent, minus my fingers dragging on it. But you get the point of what the purpose of these spreaders are. It's a time saver, and it's super consistent. So you have something to start with that is less sanding, less body work, and 100% reusable. You can just use some acetone, dip it in acetone, and you can use these over and over. They're about $100 if I'm not mistaken from Mobile Solutions. You get them on Mobile Solutions website. And I mean, look at that. All the way through, no problems. So it's a time saver for sure. And just something that I think you need in your arsenal. I think everybody needs them in your arsenal. You know, for years I was using these and trying to get the angle right, and then they would move on me. Then, you know, at the time, you know, these things here, you know, they bend and flex. So as you're pushing against your piece, they will bend and flex. So the consistency won't be the same throughout. So this is something that I definitely recommend anybody that's doing car audio, any type of fabrication. It's good to have these in your arsenals. If you're doing body work and you like real organic shapes and you just don't want everything to be super flat, adding little risers like this, whether, you know, it's 90 degree or you want to do something like have it more smoothed out, you can do that because these smart spreaders come in different profiles. So if you wanted something that was a little bit more smoothed out, you know, look at that, you know, it's a more of a gradual transition. Or if you had a larger piece, you know, and you wanted that to kind of stretch out, you have the option. So, and then there's another one. I really like this shape. This one's super curvy. So it's a 12-piece kit that comes with it. You have, you know, your shapes right here, and then the other part give you the more curvy, more organic ones that you can, you know, scrapers. So, I mean, it's a really nice kit. And like I said, for the price, I mean, you really can't beat it. The consistency piece, the speed, the lack of material being wasted. You know, body filler isn't cheap. Even if you're mixing your own body filler like I do, it still can kind of become costly. So, you know, I say give it a shot, give it a try, and you won't be disappointed. So, till next time, I'll try to do some more videos a little bit more consistently. Had a lot going on, but you guys have messaged me a lot and told me you like the video, so I'm gonna try to do a little better and be a little more consistent. So, like I said, check out the smart spreaders from Mobile Solutions on the website. And until next time, you guys take care, and thanks again.